Hello guys, myself Shauryavardan Singh. I come from Rajasthan, Ajmer, and currently I'm studying in University of Niš from Serbia. As we know, this is a part of Europe, and currently a candidate to come inside European Union. And as we say, I am in fourth year right now, currently studying in fourth year, and I would like to say that this university is very good in these things. They take students priority on learning practically in a very serious way. We not only have lectures, but we have practicals. In practicals, I like one thing about this university is that limited teachers have limited students. Like for one teacher, we have 14 students in one batch. That is very good while you are talking to different patients, because then every student have a chance to talk to the patient. This shows that we have a very good clinical exposure, and this will help me actually for my future. And as we say, we have two types of classes: one are lectures and one are practicals. In lectures, we sit together for a batch. In that, teacher will teach us everything regarding the topics of whatever we are studying. And afterwards, there will be a doubt session. And if you are not understanding, or if you have a doubt when you are a bit shy to ask in the class, you can actually ask the teacher in Viber. And as we say, the weather is so good. You can see behind me, that is the University of Niš. That is the headquarters. And currently I am in fourth year, as I told you earlier. And our exams are coming now. So we all are preparing for exams. And remembering from exam, one thing is that teachers are very helpful. If you don't know what to study and how to study, and in the end time you didn't study at all, but you have to pass it, the teachers will help you in that. That students, you have this questions, and this is the way of questions which will be asked. And one more thing, in the lectures, teachers will actually tell you that this question came last year in PLAB or USMLE, and they will differentiate in between the USMLE way of asking questions and PLAB way of asking questions, and how you get into these institutes. Other thing is we have flexibility in exams. It's not like our Indians way of teaching that if from the March it's the exam, you have to give in March. It is flexible. It depends upon point system, and you get slots. In those slots, you can assign for different exams. You can decide for all, or you can decide for two. It depends upon you. So if you are it depends upon your comfortability. I like that university because of this only. And as we see currently in whole world, people are trying to find where to go, where not to go, and in India the competition is too high, and for no reason. I would suggest you guys not to waste your time if you are not getting selected or whatever and something. Don't waste your time. Come to Serbia. It is a very nice place. That's all from my side.